Hello everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Drones have come a long way since their introduction as a military tool. Nowadays, there are many different types of drones that are being developed and used in various industries. In this video, we'll explore the different types of drones and their potential applications. Let's get started. Quadcopter. The most common type of drone is the quadcopter, which is a 4-rotor drone. These drones are popular with hobbyists and photographers as they are easy to maneuver and can carry cameras for aerial photography. Quadcopter drones are typically small and lightweight, and they are easy to fly and maneuver. One of the key advantages of the quadcopter drones is their stability and maneuverability. The 4 rotors provide a high degree of stability and control, allowing pilots to hover the drone in one place, fly it in any direction, and perform aerial acrobatics with ease. Fixed-wing drones. Fixed-wing drones are another type of drone that are used in agriculture, surveying, and mapping. These drones are more efficient than quadcopters as they can cover more ground and fly for longer distances. One of the key advantages of fixed-wing drones is their long flight time and high speed. Because they rely on forward motion to generate lift, fixed-wing drones can fly for several hours at a time, covering large distances and collecting data over a wide area. Fixed-wing drones are also faster than quadcopter drones and can fly at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour or more. Delivery drones. Delivery drones are a new type of drone that are being developed by companies like Amazon and Google. These drones will be used to deliver packages and goods to people's homes, making delivery faster and more efficient. One of the most well-known delivery drones is Amazon Prime Air, which is being developed by Amazon. This drone is capable of delivering packages weighing up to 5 pounds and can fly for distances of up to 15 miles. The Prime Air drone is equipped with advanced sensors and algorithms that allow it to avoid obstacles and navigate complex environments. Another example of a delivery drone is the Wing drone, which is being developed by Google's parent company, Alphabet. The Wing drone is designed to deliver small packages, including food and medicine, to customers in urban and rural areas. The drone is equipped with a tethered winch that can lower packages to the ground, allowing for safe and secure delivery. Racing drones. Racing drones are a popular type of drone among hobbyists and enthusiasts. These drones are designed for speed and maneuverability and are used in the drone racing competitions. One of the most popular racing drone leagues is the Drone Racing League, or DRL, which features high-speed races that take place in complex, obstacle-filled environments. The DRL uses custom-built racing drones that are capable of reaching speeds of up to 90 miles per hour. Pilots navigate the course from a first-person perspective through specialized goggles. Another popular racing drone league is the Multi-GP Drone Racing League, which features local and regional races that are organized by pilots and enthusiasts. The Multi-GP League uses standardized rules and regulations to ensure fair and safe competition, and pilots race through complex courses that are designed to test their flying skills and agility. Underwater drones. Underwater drones are another type of drone that is used for marine exploration and research. These drones can be used to map the ocean floor and study marine life. One of the most well-known underwater drones is the Ocean One ROV, which was developed by researchers at Stanford University. This underwater robot is equipped with advanced sensors and haptic feedback technology, allowing a human operator to control the robot's movements and feel what the robot touches. Military drones. Military drones are still being developed and used for various purposes, including reconnaissance and airstrikes. These drones are controversial, but they have become crucial tools for modern military operations. One of the most well-known military drones is the MQ-9 Reaper, which is used by the United States Air Force for surveillance and targeted airstrikes. The Reaper is capable of carrying various weapons, including Hellfire missiles and laser-guided bombs. Tethered drones. Tethered drones, also known as tethered aerial vehicles or TAVs, are attached to a cable and are used for surveillance and security. One of the key advantages of tethered drones is their ability to fly for extended periods of time. Because they are connected to a power source through the tether, they can remain airborne for several hours or even days, making them ideal for applications such as surveillance, monitoring, and emergency response. Tethered drones are often used in disaster response situations, where they can provide real-time video and data feeds to first responders and emergency personnel. They can also be used for crowd control, monitoring large events, and providing security for sensitive areas. Tethered drones come in a variety of sizes and configurations, and can be equipped with a range of cameras, sensors, and other equipment. Some tethered drones are designed for military and defense applications and are used for surveillance and reconnaissance missions. Hybrid drones. Hybrid drones are a combination of fixed-wing and quadcopter drones. They can take off vertically like a quadcopter and then transition to forward flight like a fixed-wing drone. These drones are being developed for various applications, including delivery and agriculture. Hybrid drones can be used for aerial photography, surveying, and agricultural monitoring. They also have military and defense applications, such as surveillance and reconnaissance. Hybrid drones come in a range of sizes and configurations and can be equipped with a variety of cameras, sensors, and other equipment. Some hybrid drones are designed for commercial and industrial applications, while others are used for military and defense purposes. Swarm drones. Swarm drones are a group of drones that work together to complete a task. They can be used for search and rescue, surveillance, and even entertainment. One of the key advantages of swarm drones is their ability to work together to perform complex tasks, such as mapping an area or monitoring a large crowd. The individual drones in the swarm can communicate with each other and coordinate their movements, allowing them to cover a larger area more quickly and efficiently than a single drone could. Solar-powered drones. Solar-powered drones, also known as solar-powered unmanned aerial vehicles or UAVs, are being developed for long-duration flights. They are equipped with solar panels to generate power and can fly for several days at a time. Solar-powered drones are typically lightweight and can have large wingspans, which allows them to fly at high altitudes where they can harness more sunlight. They are also equipped with high-tech cameras and sensors that allow them to capture high-quality images and data. Solar-powered drones can be used for a variety of applications, including environmental monitoring, climate research, and communication. They can also be used for military and defense applications, such as surveillance and reconnaissance. Medical drones. Medical drones are being developed to deliver medical supplies and equipment to remote and hard-to-reach areas. In emergency situations, medical drones can be used to quickly transport medical supplies or equipment to patients in need, potentially saving lives. Medical drones can also be used for organ transportation, delivering blood, and responding to cardiac arrests. In some cases, medical drones can be equipped with telemedicine capabilities, allowing doctors to communicate with patients and provide medical advice remotely. Medical drones typically have a range of a few miles and are equipped with GPS and other navigation systems to ensure that they reach their destination safely and accurately. They can be launched and operated by trained medical professionals or emergency responders. Drone Swarm Light Show. A drone swarm light show is a coordinated display of unmanned aerial vehicles equipped with LEDs that fly in formation to create intricate patterns and designs in the night sky. These displays are often used for entertainment purposes, such as for concerts, festivals, and celebrations. Drone swarm light shows typically consist of hundreds or even thousands of drones that are programmed to fly in sync with each other. The drones are equipped with specialized software that allows them to follow a predetermined flight path and light up in different colors and patterns to create stunning visual effects. Drone swarm light shows are typically controlled by a central computer, which communicates with each individual drone to ensure that they are flying in the correct formation and at the right time. The display can be customized to include specific logos, images, or messages. In conclusion, drones come in many different shapes and sizes, each with their own unique features and applications. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see more types of drones being developed for even more diverse applications. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Comment below if we missed any drones. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you next time.